Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dr. Robinson again, and we're going to continue our studies. This time we are working on part 2 of the representation of proportional relationships. I felt I should revisit this topic and get a little bit more to the point. So, our lesson outcomes, we hope you to learn. Students use the constant of proportionality to represent proportional relationships by equations in the real world context as it relates the equations and the corresponding ratio table and or graphical representations. So here's something you should know about proportional relationships. There are 3 facts or factors that you should know for constants for a proportional relationship. The first thing is you must have a constant of proportionality value in order for it to be a proportional relationship. Remember the formula. If you haven't seen it, check out my other video. K is equal to y over x, and that point is also one coordinate k, where k is the constant of proportionality if you're looking at a graph. The second thing you need to have is the origin point, which is 0, 0. The third thing you must have is a straight line. Linear is another way of saying that. And it must go from the origin. So it must go from the origin. So we're talking about a straight line going from the origin. So note a proportional relationship must have all of these items, or if not, it's non-proportional. So it would not be a proportion. So let's take a look at what we have here. So we want to know, is this a proportional relationship, yes or no? So first thing I see 0, 0 as a point, and that's the origin. So I will check off the origin. Let me get a pen. So I have the origin, 0, 0. That's my origin. Now I'm going to look for a constant of proportionality. So I'm going to look for a k value. And if you remember the formula, k is equal to x over y. And that'll give us 10 over 1, which is equal to 10. And I got to check this k value, which is equal to y over x. That'll equal to 20 over 2. That's also equal to 10. And I'll check this one. Again, y over x. That's equal to 30 over 3. And I'm starting to see the pattern there. It seems as though we'll have 40 over 4. That is equal to 10. And we'll have 50 over 5. And that is equal to 10. So I guess the last one, which is 60 over 6, and that is equal to 10. So we have 10 every single time we put the y value over the x value, because that's our formula for constant of proportionality. And if you're not sure about it, check out my video on constant of proportionality, how to find it. So they all equal to 10. So I got 2 out of the 3 things that I need. So let's now look to graph this. So I'm going to graph all of these points. Here's my x point, and there's my y point. So I have my coordinates here. There's the origin, 0.110, 220, 330, 440, and 550, 660. So let me get this out of the way so I can get a nice graph. So let me group it together and move it over here. Shrink it a little bit so we don't forget about it. All right, so let's graph this. So I'm going to do a little magic here with my smartboard software, and I'm going to click on this arrow and do what's called math actions. I'm going to generate a graph from that. Here is my table that I just generated, and it plotted those points. There's the 0, 0 point, 110, 220, 330, 440, 550, 660. And if you're not sure how to graph, check out my video on graphing. I think we played Battleship in class. So let me know. So I'm now going to draw a line because that's the last thing I have, a straight line connecting all of these points going through the origin. So let's draw a line, and there it is, my line going straight through the origin. So I have all three things, so I'm going to say yes, that it is a proportional relationship. So let's check it out. Lift this up. And there it is. The answer is yes. I mentioned before we had our constant of proportionality. There it is up there. K equals 10. We solved all of those. And our point 0, 0 was there, the origin, and it was a straight line. So when I graphed it, I see I have a straight line. That was a very good question. So I have a question for you to try. Oh, this one's a table, so they have the graph already. So remember the three things that you have to have. So see if you can figure it out and if it's a proportional relationship or not. I see there's a point F there, so take a look at it. Can't wait to find out what your constants of proportionality. If you understand everything that's going on, great. If you're not sure, write down your questions, bring them in. You may rewatch the video again, that might help. So let's see what else we got for you. Oh, is this a proportional relationship? Yes or no? So we got some numbers hidden, I see. We have 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. So a table. So check out what we did before. So you might want to take a look at it. So I hope you enjoyed the video and got something out of it. And it was an easy lesson for you. If not, rewatch it. And remember, check out those other videos on YouTube. My channel name is Dan Robinson. You could subscribe to our channel, I hope. And thank you for those who have subscribed. And write us comments. Let me know how I'm doing. If we're doing well, let me know. If not, let me know how I could improve. And remember, there's our latest release called Math Prep, PKMS Math Prep 19. We're working on 20 as I speak. Planning to get a commercial out pretty soon. You can tweet me at drobmath1. So check us out. Let us know how we're doing. Don't forget to watch our show, Math Time, on Tuesdays on Optimum Cablevision from 4:30 to 5 p.m., Channel 15. If you need homework help, there's the free dial a teacher homework helpline at 212-777-3380. So the teachers will help you from Monday to Thursday from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. with your homework. So give them a call. They're great teachers. So if you want to study with me, or you would like a copy of some type of worksheet, we can send it to you. Just write me at robinsonmath@aol.com. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson and got something out of it. So I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.